My name is Brian, and I make videos here on YouTube that are meant to help students, parents, and teachers kick some class with technology tools. If this is your first time here and you like that kind of thing, please click that subscribe button. But in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you a quick tip for making some anonymous type Jamboards, Google Slides, whatever it might be, where students' information needs to be held private. Even if it's just for a few minutes, and a way that you can do that with some free icons. This is going to be a quick one. Let's jump in. Okay guys, so you're going to go to flaticon.com, and then you're just going to go ahead and search for whatever you're looking for. I'm looking for just animal icons, right? So you can scroll around and look, but every once in a while you'll see this little crown there. That just means it's a paid icon. You want to look for ones without. So I'm just going to look for a free one. I found one earlier that I wanted to use. So once you select it, you will have to register to download. So once you just set up your account there, you can do it with Google or however you would like. Once you have your account, you're going to download these as a PNG file. Now, I've opened up a Google Slides presentation with a bunch of free ones already in here. And you can see that it took me a little while to tediously separate them out. I can have students choose the one they want and put it on its own individual slide, and then keep a record in the background of whose that is. But then I can insert a link on the main page to that slide in my presentation, and then have students even do this and then link their animal to their slide. So they just copy the one they want, they add a new slide, and then they go back and they link it. And now whatever work that they do here on this slide becomes their own work. So now I'm just gonna, copy and paste the cow in there. So say this is another student, they chose the cow, they put it there, then they go back and then they just click the image, click insert, go down to link, and then choose slide in this presentation. And now they don't need their name, but the icon just tells me who it is. So a fun way to let kids choose what they want and link it to their work for that day. You can download those and then put them into Google Slides or Jamboards or anything that is collaborative in nature, but you don't necessarily want the kids to know who one another's answers are. This is a really cool way where kids get to sign up for maybe something that represents their personality, keeps their personal information personal, but allows you to know who they are and have a little bit of fun in the background. Hey, so just a fun video today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please click the like button and consider subscribing. We do all sorts of creative videos and innovative educational technology videos, tips, tutorials here on this channel every single week, and they're meant to help you if you're a student, a parent, or a teacher kick some class in 2021 and beyond. So I'm curious, what other tools are you using? How do you see using icons in your classroom or just in general? And drop that in the comments. That's it for me from Ball Guy Sci. We'll catch you next time.